Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change your language in HBO Max. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your language in HBO Max, you need to simply open your HBO Max on any of the website. So once you open it, all you need to do now is simply get signed in into your account. So once you're signed in into your account, all you need to do is simply tap on the profile on the right hand side of the corner and then simply tap on the settings option. So once you have also tapped on the settings option, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to simply tap on the display language where you can find change language. After you tap on it, you will be redirected to the display language screen where you can choose any of the language that are given as option. Once you do this, you will be successful in changing your language in HBO Max. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.